Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to increase the power of concentration and body's flexibility and strengthening by practicing 6 simple balancing asanas. If you practice these 6 simple balancing asanas regularly, you will get step-by-step recovery from anxiety, amnesia, nervous disorders, depression and stress. Before practicing these asanas, everyone should practice 15 to 20 minutes warm-up is very must. Then only you will be able to practice this all asanas very comfortably. Shall we start the asanas right now? Please come and join. First asana name is palm tree pose, Tadasana. Legs together. Stand in center of the mat. Keep your both hands sides of the body. While inhaling, raise your both hands above the head and raise your heels up. Look straight. Hold in this position up to 15 seconds. Let's start to concentrate on your body. 1 toe, 2 ankle, 3 calf muscles, 4 knee joints, 5 thigh muscles, 6 back muscles, 7 abdomen, 8 chest, 9 shoulders, 10 upper arms, 11 lower arms, 12 wrist, 13 palms, 14 head, 15 the whole spine. Relax. Now bring your both hands down, heels down. Spread your legs up to 1 feet level. Take your both palms towards outside. Take a deep inhale and exhale for 3 times. Second asana name is tree pose. Join your legs. Now turn your left foot towards the left side. Now fold your left leg and try to land your left feet on your right inner thigh muscle. Lift your both hands above the head. Join your palms. Look straight. Hold in this position up to 15 seconds. Let's start to concentrate on your body. 1 right feet, 2 right ankle, 3 right calf muscle, 4 right knee joint, 5 right thigh muscle, 6 left leg, 7 back muscles, 8 spine, 9 stomach, 10 shoulders, 11 upper arms, 12 elbow, 13 joined palms, 14 upper body, 15 your head. Relax. Now bring your both hands down. Release your left leg. Spread your legs up to 1 feet level. Take your both palms towards outside. Take a deep inhale and exhale for 3 times. Let's start to do with your another side. Join your legs now. Turn your right foot towards the right side. Fold your right leg. Try to place your right foot on your left inner thigh muscle. Raise your both hands above the head. Keep your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Look straight and stay in this position up to 15 seconds. Let's start to concentrate on your body. 1 left feet, 2 left ankle, 3 left calf muscle, 4 left knee joint, 5 left thigh muscle, 6 left back muscle, 7 right leg, 8 the whole spine, 9 abdomen, 10 chest, 11 shoulders, 12 upper arms, 13 lower arms, 14 joined palms, 15 head. bring your hands down, release your leg. Now split your legs up to 1 feet level again and close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Third asana name is stand wine relieving pose, stiti, vayu, muktayasana. Let's start to do the asana now. Now join your legs. Now lift your left leg up to your hip joint level. Interlock your fingers. Now use your both hands and pull your left leg towards upper body, toe towards down. Look straight 15 seconds. Hold in this position. Let's start to concentrate on your body. Right leg 1, left leg 2, spine 3, abdomen 4, interlocked fingers 5, shoulders 6, upper arms 7, lower arms 8, side muscles 9, left back muscle 10, right back muscle 11, left thigh muscle 12, right thigh muscle 13, left toe 14, right toe 15. Release your hands and bring your left leg down. Split your legs up to 1 feet level. Rise your chin up. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Let's start to do with your another side. Legs together. Now fold your right leg. Lift your right leg up to your hip joint level. Interlock your fingers and pull your right leg towards the upper body, toe towards down. Look straight and hold in this position up to 15 seconds. 1. Folded right leg. 2. Left leg. 3. Spine. 4. Upper arms. 5. Chest. 6. Upper body. 7. Abdomen. 8. Interlocked fingers. 9. Left thigh muscle. 10. Right thigh muscle. 11. Left calf muscle. 12. Right calf muscle. 13. Left big toe. 14. Right big toe. 15. Head. Relax. Now slowly release your hands. Bring your right leg down. Again take a deep inhale and exhale. Split your legs up to 1 to 1.5 feet level. Close your eyes. Listen your breathing. Feel your breathing. Fourth asana name is balancing stick pose. Let's start to do the asana now. Join your legs. Raise your both hands above the head. Join your palms. Take a deep inhale. While exhaling, bend forward and lift your right leg up to your hip joint level without bending the knee joint. Your both knees and spine should be erect. Stay in this position up to 15 seconds. 1. Left calf muscle. 2. Right calf muscle. 3. Left knee joint. 4. Right knee joint. 5. Abdomen. 6. Spine. 7. Lifted right leg. 8. Chest. 9. Stretched hands. 10. Joined palms. 11. Shoulders. 12. Side muscles. 13. Right back muscle. 14. Left back muscle. 15. Relax. Now slowly lift your upper body up. At the same time, bring your right leg also down. Take your hands towards outside. Split your legs up to 1 feet level. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Relax. Let's start to do the another side now. Join your legs. Now raise your both hands above the head. Join your palms. Take a deep inhale. While exhaling, bend forward your upper body up to your hip joint level. At the same time, raise your left leg up. Hold in this position up to 15 seconds. 1. Let's start to concentrate on your body. 2. Right leg. 3. Left leg. 4. Stomach. 5. Chest. 6. Stretched hands. 7. Entire spine. 8. Head. 9. Side muscles. 10. Stomach. 11. Right leg. 12. Left leg. 13. Spine. 14. Head. 15. Now slowly lift your upper body up. Bring your left leg down. Bring your hands down. Split your legs up to 1 feet level towards sides. Take your both hands towards outside. Again take a deep inhale and exhale. Fifth asana name is half wheel pose, Ardha Chakrasana. Join your legs. Now split your legs up to half feet level. Take your both hands or back side. Rest your both hands on the back muscles. Now take a deep inhale. Bend your upper body towards back side. Hold in this position up to 15 seconds. Start to focus your body. 1. Spine. 2. Abdomen. 3. Both hands. 4. Left leg. 5. Right leg. 6. Left feet. 7. Right feet. 8. Neck joint. 9. Chin. 10. Head. 11. Shoulders. 12. Abdomen. 13. Thigh muscles. 14. Calf muscles. 15. Heels. Relax. Now slowly come up. Take your both hands towards outside like a V shape. Spread your legs up to 1 feet level. Take a deep inhale. Complete exhale. Feel your breathing. Sixth asana name is Char pose. Spread your legs up to half feet level. Raise your both hands above the head. Take a deep inhale. While exhaling, bend your both knee joints. At the same time, take your both hands up to your shoulder level. Look straight and hold in this position up to 15 seconds. 1. Calf muscle. 2. Thigh muscle. 3. Heels. 4. Toe. 5. Back muscles. 6. Spine. 7. Abdomen. 8. Upper body. 9. Shoulders. 10. Stretched hands. 11. Side muscles. 12. Thigh muscles. 13. Knee joints. 14. Your whole body. 15. Now slowly stand up. Raise your both hands up. Bring your both hands slowly down. Take a deep inhale and exhale. 6 asanas are completed successfully. Next, we want to practice some stretches for relax our muscles. Sit down please. Stretch your both legs forward and shake your both legs towards side to side. It's called Dandasana movement. Join your legs. Now fold your both legs. Take your both legs towards outside. Join your both heels. Lock your feet and move your legs. Practice the butterfly pose. Now join your both knees. Stretch your both legs towards front. Let's go to the sleeping position, Savasana. Listen your each and every one part of the body. Feel your breathing, heartbeat, blood circulations. Practice this Savasana up to 1 minute. Relax, legs together. Now fold your right leg. Slowly get up. Relax.